Hi, my name is Desiree with WTI, and if you love to budget, then you'll be familiar with these A6 envelopes. And why not make it fun and interesting and also look good when you're budgeting, right? You want to check out this set from Soul Mama. So I picked the design of Pink Safari because I love all things pink, and who doesn't like an animal print? And what I love is that it comes with a set of 12. So 12 of these inserts and 12 of these clear A6 envelopes in which you can personalize with these beautiful rose gold stickers. So it's a great way to make your A6 binders look really pretty and fashionable. And let me tell you, Soul Mama has all different kinds of designs. So if you're not into Pink Safari, you can definitely choose something else. But if you're looking to add this stylish set, make sure and check it out. But that's just my point of view.